the Large Fuel Tank Service cover and Large Fender Service cover from Harley-Davidson help protect your motorcycle and taking you one step closer to making you look like a pro technician. Hello Harley-Davidson DIYers, my name is Jared, and when you're working on your motorcycle, there's a chance of bike fluid splashing or tools dropping on your pristine motorcycle and your investment, potentially causing some damage. Well, I'm here to protect that investment. We'll start by looking at the Fuel Tank Service cover. Now this protects the tank of your Dyna, Softail, Touring, or Trike models. With its black vinyl exterior and soft non-abrasive fleece inner liner, it's going to keep your bike looking good. Built-in magnets keep the cover from shifting and sliding around in your tank while you're working. Meanwhile, small bolts and parts can be stored easily within reach in these mesh pockets, and a clear window can be used to either place some instructions or paperwork within sight. The Fender Service cover is constructed of the same vinyl with the easy-to-clean black vinyl exterior and the fleece inner liner protecting your investment, but it also has soft elastic bands to hold it in place on the fender. The fender cover is suitable for a wide range of Harley-Davidsons. We're talking Softails, Cruisers, Touring, and Trike models. Check the Fender Service cover's fitment on the Harley-Davidson's website to see if it will fit your specific model year. Both covers are branded with a Harley-Davidson graphic to give it a professional shop service look. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.